Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting journey as I learn about finance and pay off 6 figures of overall debt. Here I share my successes and my failures in hopes that none of you will make the same mistakes that I did. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, pull up a seat and stay a while. So today we're going to do the cash stuffing for my July 14th paychecks. There should be $217 right here. So I've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So how are all of you? I hope you're doing well. I don't have a lot of time this morning, which seems to be the story of my life lately. We have Lizzie's birthday tomorrow, and she lives about an hour away from us. And of course, we both have to work tomorrow, so we are going to meet her for breakfast this morning. So I'm going to squeeze this in since I woke up too late to take my shower. So I'm going to try to get through this as quickly as I can. In the clothing envelope, we're going to start out with the envelopes that are in my purse. In my clothing envelope, we are going to add $5. Oops. Well, oh well. Plus 5. So that should give us $62 in cash. And then we'll also have the $25 Old Navy gift certificate and the $19.59 on the Old Navy gift card. So let's add $5. And my bank didn't have tens. I had to go by the ATM and it wouldn't give me tens. I was very disappointed. Anyway, we should have 20, 40, 55, 61, 2. Do you guys ever have that problem if you use the ATM? Like, it had been so long since I'd used an ATM that I didn't know you could pick your own bills at the ATM now, which is cool, except for when it wouldn't give me the tens that I wanted. Okay, eating out is going to get $4. So let's pull this out. And I have filled this thing up and I don't have another one handy. So this is out of my 714 deposit. We're adding $4. That's going to make this 18. Except for I have apparently spent $4 somewhere. Yeah, that tells you how busy life has gotten. I have no doubt that I spent that. I just don't know where I spent that. Oh well. I shall figure it out. Erica's gonna get 12, which means I'm getting 2 5s and 2 1s.
This is a reminder. Time to shut off internet if dogs aren't out. This is a reminder. Time to shut off internet if dogs aren't out.
Y'all are getting used to those reminders, right? Okay, so this should be 42. So I've got 25, 35, 41, 2 in my envelope. I'm thinking that my Erica money, whatever doesn't get spent eating out with coworkers or on a new bra, because I need a new bra, is also going to go toward the lipedema stuff. So I might hold that off for maybe compression and that kind of thing, whatever is left in there. That is all for what's going to be in my wallet. So I'll just set these back here. We're going to go to our black binder first because that's the first half of our normal stuff. We want beauty, and it's going to get $5. think that means we're gonna have 36. I smeared that, but yep. 20, 35, 6. 36 would be 18. We've got more than that colored in, so we haven't gotten back up to where we apparently were at one time yet. But that's okay. Excuse me. Okay, and date night is going to get 18. So we need 3 5s and 3 1s. Look at that, there's just $21 left in there. This is something that I would not put money toward, but it is important to Eric that we keep that. So it is getting funded. Okay, we should have $39 here. Got 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Set this over to the side and pull out the white binder. Oh, nope, there's nothing in the white binder. Time for the holiday binder. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so Valentine's Day is getting $6, and this is the last of the money, I believe, maybe, that should be going into Valentine's Day. Maybe not, I don't know. I'll have to look at that closer. So plus 6, 27, 10, 25, 6, 7, 27 would make that 13. Oops. Let me time lapse this for you. Okay. Make that dry a little bit. Did I count this? 10, 25, 6, 7. Sorry, you guys. I must be getting a summer cold. I woke up this morning. My nose is running. My throat hurts. And we have to go to breakfast. It's a beautiful day. Okay, July 4th. Is getting $17, 15, 16, and 17. So now the 4th of July has passed, but I had a goal that I wanted to hit this year of how much money was put in here. I haven't quite gotten there yet. It's gonna be 80, I'm $20 short, I think, of the goal. Yeah, because the goal was $100. So 80 would mean all 4 rows colored in. Let's do that real quick. Okay, so let's put all this together, add it up. Or count it up. 20, 40, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. I have not pulled the money out of here yet that we spent on the 4th of July. Eric was sick, and so we didn't get to go to the family function that we normally go to. Instead, to keep everybody safe, because he had shingles. Terrible, by the way. I've never been this close to it, but I don't recommend. We went and watched fireworks from the safety of our vehicle. That way nobody was exposed on a hilltop where hardly anybody was. It was actually kind of nice, but then once he was better, we went to go see Sound of Freedom. You guys, that is a really heavy movie, but I highly recommend it. So good. And Jim Caviezel is excellent actor. Thanksgiving is gonna get $9. But that means we didn't have to buy fireworks this year, so that money got redirected to something else that we could do. Okay, so Thanksgiving is getting $9. Oh, feels like this is just right around the corner, don't it? Okay, 57 at 2 will be 25. Let's see. And I think I need to color to here for 28. Okay, let's do that. Okay. So we should have 57. Let's just fix that. Okay. We have 20, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we're doing pretty good on Thanksgiving. Hopefully we can have everybody here. There's not a lot of space in my house though, y'all. I wish I had more room. Christmas is gonna get 20 and 3. We are behind where I'd like to be for Christmas because we wanted to get certain things this year, some of which I bought during prom day, and I need to move the money out of here. But okay, I'm going to 714 plus 23. Y'all. Okay, so it's 12, 682. Three. 20 in here. Oh, there's a 50. Okay. Okay, so we've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 50, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 1, and 2. So 682. My math was right, thank God, because how embarrassing would that be? Well, we're closer to halfway through it than I thought we would be, so maybe it's not quite as bad as what I was afraid of. So that's everything for Christmas. And now to pull out the hopes and dreams binder because we have the ability to put some stuff in here this month. Okay, so I have some money set aside for lipedema. We're gonna add $30 to it. So 714 plus 30. So we'll have 63. I have not made an envelope for this yet because there just hasn't been time. But we should have 63. So I've got 20, 40, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3. I have my consult with the specialist in November. He is 5 hours away from here, so we are going to have to spend the night because my body is not in such a shape that I can do 10 hours worth of driving there and back, and you know, the doctor's appointment and everything all in the same day. So I'm hoping that I don't have to put too many of these stays on that Discover card, but that is the reason why we opted for the 0% Discover card. And kind of the plan right now is if I do have to, there's a possibility I might have to make my friend that has the same condition is estimating I might need 5 surgeries done, and each one would take a hospital stay. The first one would take a week-long hospital stay. because I'd have to stay from the time of surgery until my post-op visit a week later. But yeah, it's going to be expensive, and there's not enough time really to save up for that, and it's something that needs to be done before it gets worse. So, you know, that's kind of where we're at. But my thought is, even if I have to use credit, now that I have discovered the 0% APR, because normally I don't look at credit cards too much. The ones that I have, I've had since I was a, you know, brand new adult. So my thought is if I don't have all the money saved up that I need by the time I need it, I will use that card to pay for it, and then I can always do a balance transfer to a different 0% card if I need to continue paying that. But the goal is to have everything that's currently on that card paid off before this stuff starts accruing. Whether or not that happens, I don't know, but we'll see. But that's $63 toward lipedema treatment, and we should have $88 toward the debt snowball, which is currently empty. So let's see what we got here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Y'all, we are off to a good start for the month of July. $88 toward debt payoff, in addition to, you know, the monthly payments that are already going. So I am excited. And, well, no and, that's just it. Okay, so that's everything that I've got for you today. I'm going to go get dressed for breakfast, and I will see you all next time. As it stands right now, I don't know what my next video will be. I should probably do a net worth update at some point, because I haven't updated you all on that in a while. But I don't know. We'll see. It'll be a surprise. So be sure to join me for the surprise. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen. I will see you next time. Have a great day, Have a great couple of days, everybody. Bye.